Hi, I'm Danny Pancake. I am the program coordinator and the instructor for Computerized Manufacturing and Machining here at Ashland Community and Technical College. There's all kinds of different industries that are desperately needing people that have the machining skills so that they can manufacture their parts. In our program, students learn to take raw materials like steel, aluminum, brass, and we make some kind of finished product. Close tolerance, also has a nice surface finish on it. So almost everything you use every day in your life has to pass through the hands of a machinist. If it's made out of metal and if it has a close tolerance finish, it has to go through the hands of a machinist, and there is a tremendous shortage of machinists. Ashland Community and Technical College, a better life.